Welcome back to the channel. I forgot my belt today. As you can see, this is in my suitcase. So today a white belt's gonna be teaching you.
White, yellow belt.
Oh, sorry. White and yellow belt's gonna be teaching you. I had somebody send me this question on Instagram. He says, every time that I pass, the person's just getting this underhook. So we're gonna look at what to do. The first thing that I like to do is get the person's head away from me. That way I can have different options. One, if I wanted to go for a darce, I go for the darce. But something that I really like working on, and this changed the game for me when I learned it, but you step up past the person's head, turn to the side, my elbow's gonna lean. That way I can get to the person's back. Now once we get here, I don't want his shoulders to turn to the mat, so I'm immediately gonna cover the person. I can get control of his wrist here, and now we can lead back into the thing that I posted yesterday. So if he goes up into the turtle, I could roll him through. I could take his back. If I lose the position, I can walk out, and now we're right back here again. But if Chewy gets this underhook, immediately what I want to do is push his head away from my body, and I want to step up past his head. Right? If I step too shallow here, I'm going to land my hip right on his head, and he might be able to come up for a double leg, single leg, so I don't want to do that. So I go here, step past the line, my elbow is going to drop to the ground, my hip's going to drop to the ground, we go here, and now what I want to do is take his back. So I'm going to go underneath his head, wait for him as he goes, hug the hips, get my hook in, continue to roll. If I lose it, I walk myself out, I come right back up, and now we're on top. Now I'll show you an option if you're not very good at taking the back off this. So if you don't like the back, you're not used to it yet, you want to stay in side control, you step up. As you step, the opposite arm is just going to hug his elbow. So I go here, I step, I turn. Now I can flatten him out, have him down. If I want to go to mount, it makes it easier for me to transition. So I'll show that one more time. As he comes up to the side, when this one's dropping, my opposite one is just pinching his elbow. Right, so as we go back, he can't go this way. I get control, now I can switch it, go to mount, whatever you want to do from there. As always, no liabilities.